Welcome everybody. This is Tiffany again. Hi, and I'm Maggie again. And here we're back at the pool. We're here at the pool. And we're gonna take a swim. And this is the pool party I was talking about earlier. This is a private pool party. Yeah. Losers aren't allowed to get in here. We're not losers, right? No. Alright, you wanna take a swim? Is it cold? I don't think so. Come on! I don't want to get in yet. Fun. More fun for me. Whee! Sure you don't want to get in? It's going to be fun. Super, super fun. Super fun, seriously. Not yet. I'll watch you though. It's not fun without you. What, sailing without me? Yeah, but I got wet. Well, yeah, I got wet. I thought you liked getting wet, that's why we're swimming. No, that's why I'm swimming. Woo! Fun. Come on. Come in. Just come in already. Well. I don't know. I don't know. Come on. You like fun. I know, I just don't like cold. What the heck. Wait, will I get in the dryer afterwards and get de-watered? Mean dried? Yeah. Sure, why not? Okay. Swimming is awesome! I told you. Didn't say you were wrong. You're a... Hey! Isn't it fun in here? I know. Come on! Oh, look! Look! Here's a nice little sitting spot up here. You did a cannonball! Look, I can do a cannonball. Wasn't that so fun? Whoa, I'm getting up here for a minute. Wasn't that so cool? Swimming is awesome, huh? Yeah, I know, it's so cool. So cool. Let's just back float. Float on our backs. Hey, look! An abandoned ship. Abandoned boat. Look! I'm sailing! Hey! What are you doing? You ran into me with your boat. Did you just do... Oh! Wow! That was so fun! We fell. Yeah, we fell out of the water. Well, that was so much fun! Can we do more? I think I'm gonna sit for now. I'm gonna sit right here and watch you swim. But don't worry, I'll come back in. More fun for me! Think I can do a backflip from here? I don't see why not. Here we go! Woo! Whoa! That was totally splashtastic! Yeah, I know, right? I know. Let me swim. Splash-tastic. You think that was splash-tastic? This is splash-tastic. Whoa, what are you doing? There we go. Whoa, that was so cool. Wasn't that rad? Come on. Come on, Tiffany. You gotta swim now. Alright, I'll go in. Woo! Ow! You okay? Come on! You know, I'm much heavier than you. That's why you're much heavier than me. That's why you make bigger splashes. Yeah! That's so cool! I know, this is so very cool! Whee! Woohoo! Can we come back tomorrow? I don't see why not. Oh wait, tomorrow's the first day of school. Tomorrow's the first day of school. Darn, we gotta wait till next summer. Woo, the water's getting cold. You wanna stop? Yeah, more fun next summer. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Whew. That was like so cool. Way too cool. Whew. Now let's dry off. Ooh. Ooh, very cold. Ooh. Wow. That was like so fun. So flippin' fun. Oh yeah. Hey, save some towel for me. Here we go. Woohoo! Oh, it was like so fun. I know, right? Oh, hey, let me come over here. Come on, let's get cozy. Whoa, that was like so fun. Yeah, that was like a totally fun pool day. See you next time at the pool, guys. Bye. Yeah, bye.